Welcome back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here, and it's time to make a Valentine Day card. So this is the basic fold what we are going to do. Yes, do subscribe to our YouTube channel just in case if you have not watched our YouTube channel too. So these are the measurements, and the dotted lines are where I have scored it. So once you score these lines, you just need to press and fold it, and your gatefold kind of card base is ready. Now, of course, here I had to use some of the beautiful pattern papers from Massive, and whatever the supplies I'm using are available at our store. You guys can check. All the links are mentioned in the video description box. So I have already pre-cut the papers. It is super easy. What you need to do is cut the paper 1 mm smaller than the actual size of your base paper. Why do we do that? Because then we have a nice black border. अगर आप मेरा ये वाला कार्ड भी देखोगे ना, you can see the top and bottom part में you can see the black color border line. So that gives a very nice and finished look to your cardstock and your card, and even for your scrapbooks also. So this was a quick tip which was given to me by the amazing artist Rajni Chawla, and I absolutely love her work. So yeah, this is something which I have been following for ages now. So yes, of course, sticking your pattern paper is very important. You can use your adhesive, you can use your tacky tapes. It's up to you. Like I mentioned earlier also, whatever the supplies I'm using are linked in the video description box. So now these are the mixed media fibers. I absolutely love them. There are a lot of colors. I'm just popping out all the colors in the side so that you guys can see the colors in this. So there is like purple, pink, cream, then green, and a lot of shades which you can use. So here I have picked up a red color because as it's a Valentine theme. So after sticking my mixed media fiber, yeah, you guys must be thinking मैंने तो कार्ड को ब्लॉक कर दिया. No, I have not done that. So I'm just sticking this with my glue gun, and एक बार ये अच्छे से stick हो जाए, then I'm going to cut it from the center. So once you cut it from the center, the opening of card becomes much more easier, and once you close the card, it looks like a one piece of art. So yeah, that was the trick what we have done here. Now after this, of course, we have to use a lot of flowers and everything. So yeah, for this I'm going to use my glue gun because it makes my work much more easier and beautiful, and yeah, of course, look pretty cool. So here one tip is either you can use the ready-made handmade flowers, and otherwise you can make your own paper flowers. Like, it is super easy. So you just need flower bases, you just need some of the buds, and you need some colors, and it is ready. So that tutorial is also there on our YouTube channel and even on our Facebook page also. Now here I'm using some of the fussy sheet cutouts. Now this is one of the beautiful floral cutout in the sentiment bark, and this is from Massive. Like I said, I have listed all the supplies in the video description box. So here I'm adding my sentiment, and trust me, this card is looking super gorgeous and beautiful, and in person it looks absolutely amazing. Ta-da! So my card is ready. Inside you can put your pictures and your messages, and it's done. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me in the comment section your feedbacks. I will be more than happy to know, and do let me know which is your favorite way of making cards. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.